How do you drive this thing? Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I can do it. Okay. Gotta pick a better line, I guess. Somebody's all over the place in this thing. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, let's go this way. Okay. I don't like this trail today. It's annoying. Yes, too many ruts here. It was really nice last week. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, look farther ahead. Yeah, keep my eyes focused. Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah. Caught the edge of that. Oh yeah, relax. Okay. We can do this. We've done this a million times. Oh yeah, catch up to Brian. Oh, quit going to the side. I want a slightly wider lane other than one butt crack. There, two butt crack, that's better. I'll do it again. Yeah. Okay. 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 Booyah, baba. And over the top. There we go. You lied. You said you were going to fall.
I did.
Did you? Oh.